Enfie numunie eye Dr. UN abusua sambe kai Dr. UN otimi eba Ghana ha na obe fraudy anas obema a fake awards anima eye over 20 Ghanaian celebrities any eye big names amoyo omayemu say onono oma awards onko form abo honbody pa woyo omayemu including sir akodi D Black a lot more even Speaker of Parliament abusua their issue ene ye jagwa ye din ene nkofo bibria otimo mo awards no but ene no ye de popular and public figures omo no just say omo de ene very surprising because now was ne doso bibri na fi so member on de kan subscribe to this platform on YouTube and follow us on all the social media handles. I go by the name Sticky the Superstar High Karma Studios. Let's go through. Now 5 years ago today Dr. UN put out Ghana's greatest fake award scheme ever to ever happen in the Ghana story history and whatever. Now number 1 is Nathaniel Atto, media figure on Oyedmo media on number 1. Speaker of Parliament and number 2. Now I was wondering how he was able to get the access to a Speaker of Parliament at that time, and then I was even surprised to see awards no man because I don't know. When you're giving an award to someone, I think a lot more is being done. Not only the plaque and I say citation, and I say bottles but I think a lot goes in. So I don't know where you got the money from. Well, if he was able to pull out this kind of fake awards, then so number 2 is a Speaker of Parliament, and I feel so the highest and the biggest rapper in Africa. The most decorated rapper, the most awarded rapper, the best rapper in the continent, Sarkodie. Having access to Sarkodie is one of the, most difficult tasks. We will be near Mr. Sarkodie by 800,000. You find it difficult, Papa, because your man doesn't even grant interviews. You don't even know his friends. So having access to Sarkodie is one of the difficult tasks to ever do. Now he was able to pull up to Sarkodie and then give Sarkodie a citation at the same time what the rope be to no kon yenim say am say rope no ka the MPP colors. It's MPP colors no the two Sarkodie kom and afi okonya enjoyment minister D Black and odi ebiso to D Black kom a osama D Black also citation and afi oto aso akoma Professor Ebenezer Oduru Owusu, former chancellor of the University of Ghana. Big names, I swear. UN, just say that man Lancaster, we have to study him. So we will be those game boys, like you have to study his mentality. Because Charlie, having access to a vice chancellor of the University of Ghana, giving him citation. Natalie Fort, TV presenter, and Bella Mundi, popular media personnel, Abusia. Bella Mundi mu ina jibi. Bella Mundi dey a feeding bottle and a citation. People are wicked. And afi Hip Life originator Reggie Rackstone also man feeding bottle and a rope or the tone cool. And afi okoma Andrews Barnes, former Australian ambassador to Ghana. I was wondering how he was able to pull up these prominent people. Akwe we go bit me the Ghana Kojiska in Canada in the International World Bank we call the money heist. You guys have been watching money robbery series and everything on the internet videos, but this is real life. I wish you to pull off these big personalities. Mind busting, it's crazy, bro. And afi Oyemo no koma DJ Black abusia, the best DJ in the country, koma DJ Black so feeding bottle. And our twa koma Dr. Bernard Okwei Boy, former Minister of Health. Okoma ono so se chance you. Woo. Dr. UN, I go in heaven here if you want to. And on to us, I come chairman to me, Ashanti Regional Chairman, or come on also citation, and or man this medal, say medal, say silver, say or whatever. I chairman to me, so to me, Jenny dear. Charlie, these people, Speaker of Parliament, Sir Kwadie, D Black, Vice Chancellor of Ghana Education Service, and even a Australian ambassador to Ghana. See the names, eh? Just no small boy is in the list not also, but here are the people like you could see say, hey, pulling out Bellamundis and the coups. Well, it is exactly 5 years. Dr. You and Timmy Trans the pen game, trans throw year planning how I'll be able to get to Sarkodie, how I'll be able to get Bellamundi, building the friendships, building the connecting the dots and doing whatever he can, and then he was able to pull up this fake award scheme. Our high karma students, my mom to the comment section and say the guy deserves an award by himself for doing this thing because it has never happened. High karma studios, and I go by the name Sticky the Sweet Pastor, your favorite and your youngest content creator in your country, and I'm finally out.